Trust me.
Okay, next time.
Alright, I'm just gonna start just to take him off the hook. You say that you're poor, but come on, you're not that poor, honey. Just take a good look around you, you're not that poor. You say that it's bad, but come on, it's not that bad, honey. I know that you're feeling sad and blue, but you gotta give it a shot. You say that it's bad, but it's not that bad. You say that you're old, but come on, you're not that old, honey. I've said more goodbyes in my life than I have said hellos, and I swear by the seeds on Galilee's trees, you can't be that old. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You say that you're tired, come on, you're not that tired, honey. Your whole life has been a race between a pillow and a pretty soft place. You say you're tired, but you are not. You're not that tired. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. You say that you're sad, but come on, you're not that sad, honey. Just look at all the friends that you have. You say that you're poor, but you're not that poor, honey. Just take a good look around you.